cable masking cover for the one heating element in the standard version, and additional options. Before ordering the one heating element with a cable without a plug and with a cable masking cover, it is worth checking the distance from the radiator connection axis to the wall. The standard cable masking cover, available together with the heating element, allows the installation of the heating element at a distance of 52 to 70 mm from the wall. For greater distances, it is necessary to purchase a longer cable masking cover, available on request in the 70 to 88 mm or 88 to 106 mm versions.